Finding safe, engaging cooking games for toddlers can be tricky, especially when you want to encourage creativity without overwhelming complexity. Kids Cooking Games 2+Year-Old offers a fun, interactive platform where little ones can explore basic cooking activities through colorful, simple games designed for young children. I think the main benefit of Kids Cooking Games 2+Year-Old is how it combines playful learning with imaginative role play. Toddlers can practice simple tasks like mixing ingredients or decorating dishes in an intuitive way that fosters fine motor skills and creativity. The app's interface is bright and easy to use, with large buttons and clear visuals that are perfect for young children. It encourages independent exploration while keeping activities short and engaging. Some features might be limited without in-app purchases, and balancing screen time with real-world play is essential for healthy development. Still, Kids Cooking Games 2+Year-Old provides a cheerful and safe environment for toddlers to have fun and learn through pretend cooking. If you're looking for a creative digital activity that sparks your toddler's imagination, this app could be a great addition to their playtime.